let's edit this our team section. If you go to admin panel, well, the work gets easier and easier as now we understand how this Sydney team works. So for the team, we just go to employees and all employees. So you can see all the teammates which are here listed down here. Say for instance, Chris Donovan is the first guy here. So if you want to edit him, just click edit. And you could change his position. You could change his Facebook link, Twitter link, Google. You could even link his image to his profile if you want to. And for this box here, you can just ignore it because it's not working anyway. And maybe you want to change the feature image. You can just remove the feature image here, set a new one by uploading, say, this cool guy here, and click set, go up and update, and refresh. So now you have a cool guy. So always remember that you want to have the same image size so that everything looks very neat. Okay, so you can actually have this link to be changed to his page if you want to by changing it here. So if you followed my tutorial very closely, you should be able to know how to add and change the employees here.